In this video here, I'm gonna show you real quickly here by leaving comments to make up to $700 plus, okay? And I'm gonna show you proof in this video here. You don't have to record any videos. You don't have to go to YouTube. This is not about affiliate marketing. It's not about selling anything, okay? It's a backdoor technique because people just don't know about it, okay? So I want everybody to comment these words below, and I want you to tag 3 people. I can do this, okay? I can do this. That's important for you to understand before we start this process. Now listen, here are the rules of engagement. Do not, listen, okay, I didn't get a Lamborghini by not being patient. You see that? It's a Lambo. It's important to be patient, okay? So the first site what you want to go to is write this down please, finderformcom, okay? Go to the site right now. As a matter of fact, while you're watching the video, just follow along with me so you don't miss a beat. And listen, you can always smash the like button. You can sub to my channel because I'm always going to deliver value. Let's go. You're going to go to finderform.com. Now listen, I know what you're thinking, Wesley, I'm going to get banned. No, you're not going to get banned. Just pay close attention. You know, a lot of people that watch videos like this to make money online like now, it's because you fast forward through the video. Take your time. Success is right around the corner. You too can have a Rolls Royce. It's right there, and a Lamborghini, and a cool black guy right there on the couch. You can have that, guys. Is that what you want? Smash the like button here. Okay. So listen. You go to finderform.com. You want to go to categories. Now, what you want to do is you want to choose the category that you're interested in. So my question to you, comment below, what do you like? Do you like women's health? Do you like fitness and exercise? Do you like dieting, weight loss? Do you like sex, right? You like medicine, mental health? Whatever you like, something that you're interested in, okay, you go here. Now listen, you don't have to be an expert, okay? You can be a teenager. It doesn't matter. You can be a single mom. You can be old. You can be young. You can be tall, short, ugly, pretty. It doesn't matter, okay? But you just got to select one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select dieting and weight loss because I know there's a lot of people that are overweight on the planet and they need to lose weight. Maybe you are a little bit pudgy and you probably need to take care of that stomach of yours. So make sure you do that, right? But listen, so these forums here, okay, like 3 Fat Chicks on diet weight, active low carb forums, you have over 186,000 members here. And that's money. And I promise you're not going to sell nothing at all. And this is not affiliate marketer. The internet is huge, ladies and gentlemen. There's many ways to make money online. And I have over 30 streams of income right now, which is why I have a Lamborghini in my living room, right? It's right there. And yes, that is King West. That is me, okay? Now listen, now pay attention. If you're with me, say, Wesley, I'm with you, okay? So what you want to do is understand that these different forms you're going to sign up for. Does that make sense? You're going to sign up for free for these forms here, okay? And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do in a second so you can start making tons of money. And I'm talking about hundreds of dollars per day here, okay? So you just sign up. You know, it's free. Sign up to 2, sign up to 5, sign up to 20. It's up to you, and it's all up to you depending on how much money you're trying to make on the computer here, because a lot of you want to quit your jobs. Smash the button if you're sick and tired of the 9-to-5 grind. I'm just curious. Smash it! Oh yeah, I said I wasn't going to scream. I apologize for that. Listen. A human being does not, I think people were created not to work for other people. Now I know some people want to work for other people, but you're different, okay? You're not designed to do that. But the thing is, you have to be patient, you have to persevere, you have to take massive action, and you have to believe in yourself. That's one of the most important factors of becoming a multimillionaire, is to believe in you, okay? All right, so you're going to sign up for this stuff here. Then you're going to go to a site. You're going to go to goooo.com. Okay, you're going to type in Audible, okay? Audible affiliate here, okay? Audible affiliate here. And I know what you're thinking. No, it's not what you're thinking. Listen, you're going to advertise, drive traffic, and earn money. And simple. And I promise you're not going to sell nothing at all. But see, the great thing about Audible is the Amazon company here. And Amazon is it's the richest company on the planet. And let me tell you why. Because they're willing to pay you $5 just for a person to get a Amazon Audible account for free. When people register for a free trial, they make $5. And they don't even have to keep it And if they do keep it, they give you $10 extra. Does that make sense? Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, okay, Wesley, how does this all work together? But first, let's do this. You want to become an affiliate. You click on the word become an affiliate here. You log in to your Amazon account. It's connected already here. I'm going to log into mine here. You have to put in your number for mobile. I'm going to put that now here. And it's very simple. Everybody can do this. It's very free to do here. And then see that right here? I don't want to show my address here, but you just fill out this form here. You hit next a couple of times, and then guess what? You will have your very own affiliate account. Okay, does that make sense? It's free to do, and everybody can do that. Now, the next question that you may have, go ahead and smash the like button if you're loving this so far. I'm just curious, how many of you believe that this year is your year? Smash the like button. I'm serious. Now, don't BS me. If you don't believe that this year is your year, do not comment below and don't smash the like button, okay? Period. Now listen. So the question may be, so Wesley, how do we make the connection, and how do I go to this site right here, okay, finderform.com, and say if I went to categories and I want to focus in the diet and weight loss industry, how do I start making money like this? Okay, let's open up a new tab here. Hold on. So you're going to go to goooo.com, okay, and we want to search for best weight loss books here, okay, weight loss books. Because we want people to read the book so they can lose that pudgy and that fat, right? And we're going to find what the top books are. As you can see here, it says Many Habits for Weight Loss. It's a top book, right? It comes up in Google. Now, why is that important? Let me tell you why. Because you have millions of people per month that search best weight loss books, right? In Google. You can look at the analytics here, okay? You can look at Google Trends. You can look at Google keyword tool, and you'll find out who's searching what. And it pops up here. And guess what? This is how you make the money. You go back to Audible here. Hold on. You type in this, and you type in Audible, because you want to see if that book is an actual book that has a voiceover. So let me explain what Audible is. Audible is taking a book and having somebody basically read it, okay? It's a voice. Some of you like to read books. I was just talking to one of my daughters. I told her that readers are leaders. If you want to be broke, well, never read a book, okay? So that's what it is. So you want to search. As you can see here, it's on Audible, okay? So what you do is when you go to Audible affiliate, right? You get your affiliate link. You're going to search for Many Habits Weight Loss Dieting, right? And then you're going to take that link and you're going to sign up here. You're going to say, hey guys, this is what you write. Hey guys, this is the best weight loss books I've ever read. My God, it's amazing. Check it out for free. Leave your link. What happens is they're going to go to Audible, right? They're going to go to Audible like this. And basically, remember, they're going to sign up and they're going to make $5. You're going to make $5. And they signed up for free. So let's do the math here. You know, just bring out my calculator here because I like the numbers. How many of you like the numbers? Let me show you something. And listen, you have actual people that do this every day, but they're not like a lot of other people. Like, I'm not going to say you, but, you know, people are just too skeptical about everything. You know, they just don't believe things work, but I'm trying to tell them they do work. Hold on. Give me a second here. Give me a second. Let me close this out and make sure I don't have any type of indecent. Okay. All right, so Herman, come, Herman, please, if you don't mind, Herman, can you guys tell Herman to shut up and shut his thing down, please? Everybody, tell him right now, stop it. He's interrupting my greatness here. Okay, now pay attention. So, listen, let's do the math here. If you had 50 people, now understand something on the freaking forum, right? If I'm on this forum, right? Look, and if I'm on weight loss, I'm in this category. You just do the math, young people. Okay, it's not algebra here. If you have 186,000 people and say you got 50 people per day to basically click on the book that you recommended, you're not selling, you're recommending the book. And if you go to your calculator here, if I type in 50 times 5, 50 times 5, that's 250 times 30 days, right? Look here, that's $7,500. What would you do with $7,500? Listen, if you had to sit at your dinner table, right here, on your couch, okay? Imagine that you didn't have a job anymore and you need to make money right now. If you can sit here for 8 hours, you're telling me that you can get 50 people to basically just sign up for free for that freaking book, and Amazon Audible is going to pay you $5 per account that is free? Come on. Does that make sense? Okay. The reason why, you know why a lot of people fail online, to be honest with you, because they just never take action. They never take consistent action, because as soon as they have a detour in the road, they just stop. And that's why you'll never have a Lamborghini in your living room. Okay. And I'm not saying that's what you want, but I think it's nice, right? But listen, you have to take action, and you got to do this. And guess what? Let me show you something else here. I'm going to show you a different category. Look at this. How many of you liking this? Comment below. I'm getting value. Comment below. Wes, I love you. Okay. If you love me, look at this. I'm going to do it in sexuality here. Sexuality. And say if you want to post a group here. That's 34,000 men that are bi-curious and bisexual. Okay. That's right here, guys. I'm just reading from the screen. Listen, sometimes these sub niches, this is what it's called, a sub niche. These are niches that no one even think about. And say if you sign up for an account, okay, and you posted on the forum and you went back here, right? And you wrote best books for bi-curious men, okay? Does that make sense? Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. And you find the book. Right? That's related to the bi-curious men. And you can see it's in Audible right here. And then all you do is you post and say, hey guys, hey, this is blah, blah, blah. You can be anonymous. You don't have to be you, right? You can just be this person that posts on that group and say, hey, this is a great book about bi-curious men. Check it out. It's amazing. They're going to click on it and they're going to sign up. I'm telling you, they're going to sign up, and it's free. You're going to make $5, right? So listen, you can use any category that you want. It doesn't matter here, right? Walking and climbing, food, guns and weapons. What I like to do is I like to use topics that are controversial. Like sex, that's controversial, right? Crime and punishment, right? That's controversial. Something that's going to cause drama. Choose like guns and weapons. People like that stuff, even though it's like dangerous, but they like guns and weapons, and they like sex and sexuality. They like dating. Like, you can find the best books on dating, and you can spend all day on this site and basically recommending. Now, understand this. How many of you believe that you can do this right now? Comment below, say, Weston, I can do this. Listen, I'm not saying that you're broke or average, but if you don't have enough money in your bank account, or if you have a job that you can't stand, this is the fastest way right now to make money online. Okay? Period. Hands down. Smash the like button if you believe that. It is. Okay? Because I'm making a ton of money right now. That's the reason why I have the Lamborghini right there, right? I mean, how do you get a Lamborghini in your living room, right? I mean, you have to make some money. This is not hype here. This is just real life. And what I want to do is I want to teach you, okay, how to do that. I love you. This is Wesley. $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go, baby. Later.